name is Susan, and I am the Young Adult Librarian here at the Camarillo Public Library. I am here bringing you another teen take and make craft activity that we're making. This is our second week, and this week we are going to be making a bead gecko. Mine looks a little different because I used a different color beads, but it's okay. There are no wrong ways. So when you pick up your kit, which are available starting today at the children's desk, they are going to include 2 yards of string, a ring, 27 beads of one color, and 21 beads of another color. There's also going to be 2 other beads that you can include as in your gecko as well for eyes. They aren't in the instructions, but you can switch out 2 of the same color that are normally in the template for your eyes if you would like to do so. So, for your first step, you're going to put it through the ring. Make sure it's this part that you open it up is at the top, and you're going to pull it through for a knot. Then the next step you're going to do is you're going to get one of the beads that you have more color of. Mine is purple. And you're going to put the bead through one end of the string, and then you're going to grab the other end and put it in the bead going the opposite direction. And you're going to pull it all the way to your key ring. Making sure that you don't try to hurry it too fast so that you get a little bit of a tangle here. And you're going to pull it all the way to the ring so that it's flush with the ring, like so. Then your next step you're going to do is you're going to get 2 more of that same color, and you're going to put it on the string, and you're going to do the exact same thing. Put it on the string, put both of them there, put the other string going in the opposite direction. And then you're going to carefully pull it all the way to the top where the key ring is, so that you've got a little bit of a triangle. Your next step is going to be an alternating pattern. So mine is teal and purple. You're going to get 2 of the other color that you haven't used yet, and one of the one you have used. So mine is 2 teals and a purple. And you're going to go teal, purple, teal. Which you can see all of this on the instructions, as well as the pattern that is also included in your envelopes. And this is a beginner craft, so if you do like making bead animals, you can look up online more animals and more complex ones, and the type of beads that you're going to want to use if you want to get more of these to make more animals, they're called pony beads. Like that. And then the next step is going to use 2 of the purple ones, so the ones we used at the very beginning. And you're going to slide in one end and then slide the other string going in the opposite direction. So that you have a little bit of a diamond shape going on. So the next step is going to be a little tricky, but not that bad. So you're going to go 2 of the first color, so the purple. And then 3 of the other color. And unlike with the other ones that we did, you're not going to use the other string for this flag. You're going to use the exact same string that you put the beads on, and you're going to put it back through the other beads, but not the 3 at the end. You're only going to do the 2 closest to the body, so in my case the 2 purple. Because it's going to make it look like a little bit of a webbed foot pattern going on. Like so. And then you're going to want to do the exact same thing on the other side. Two closest to the body, 3 at the end. Move it all the way close to the body, like so. Move your string, going back the other way through the purple pieces that are closest to the body. And then you're going to want to pull your feet as close to the body as you possibly can. So your next step, you're going to be using both strings again for your row. And you're going to go 2 of the first color, so 2 purple, and then 1 of the other color, 1 teal. So it's going to be purple, teal, purple. You may have noticed that I'm using a cup for my beads. That is to guarantee that I don't lose any, so you may want to do that as well at home. And then pull it through the other end. Like that. So your next step is going to make the body expand a little bit. going to go do 2 rows of purple, teal, teal, purple. Put it on one string, move it through the other, going the other direction. You're going to pull it all the way through, making it taut. And then again, purple, teal, teal, purple. And you're going to move the other string all the way through, going to the other end. And pull through. And so the next one, you're going to go back to the original format of 2 purple and 1 teal. And like that. So the next step, we're going to do the exact same thing we did the first time with the legs. We're going to do 2 purples and 3 teals. Move it all the way close to the body, and then put the string back going the other way through only the 2 purples. And then you're going to do that again on the other string. Purple, purple, teal, teal, teal. All the way close to the body. Move the string back through the 2 purples that are close to the body. We've got 4 legs going on. do is we're going to do 2 purples, the original color again. And then make the other string. Go through them, going the other way. And then you're going to do one of the other color, doing the exact same pattern we've been doing. Making sure you keep the bead on the string. They're very tricky beads. Like so. You're going to do that 3 more times. With the alternating beads. My tail's going to be a little shorter than yours because I don't have enough beads, but your kits are going to have the quantity of beads that are listed on the instructions. And voila, beaded gecko. And if you are doing our summer reading club, if you put in the code BEADS into src.cameralibrary.org, you will be able to get 100 points just for watching this video. If you're able to get a kit at the children's desk, then you're going to have another code that's going to be included in that envelope that I already mentioned, and that's going to have another code for another possible 100 points. So you could possibly get 200 points, and that's the case with every craft. If you weren't able to get a craft, you can get all of these supplies at your local dollar store or your local craft store and whatnot. So the final step on this craft is you're going to want to tie your string off. I'm just going to do a double knot, but you can do whatever you want. You can do a single knot, you can do a triple knot, you could do a braid at the end since there's a lot of excess string, any number of combinations that you can do. And then you'll cut off any excess string that you have, and you have a beaded gecko that you can clip onto your keys, your backpack, any number of things going on. And this craft will be available while supplies last until we run out of them, and then there will be another craft available next Wednesday with another accompanied video. And I hope you join the Summer Reading Club and enjoy all of our activities we have planned for this summer. And thank you for watching. Happy reading!